Good afternoon, Miss Ria Umpoy. Uh, this Group 9 reporters, and so the title lang among reporting kay intellectual property. So next slide. So what is intellectual property? Intellectual property is refer to creation of mind such as invention, literary, and artistic works, designs, and symbols, names, and images used in commerce. So, ang intellectual property day usa din siya ka invention sa atong hunahuna, no? Na produce nga usa na dinhi ang literary, no? And artistic works, design, and symbols, name, pangalan o pictures, no? Para gamiton niya sa for selling niya, no? Maunay na ang intellectual property. So next. So IP is protected in law by, for example, no? So sana dinhi ang patent, no? Patents, copyright, ang trademark, ang trade secret, and also kinalasan is katong uh, geographical indication, no? So motong kinalas. So enable people to earn recognition or financial benefit from what they invent or create. So ang meaning de aning kuan de balaod, no, sa kuan sa intellectual property kay proteksyonan, no, ang mga invention sa tao, no, para dili maka-earn ang ubang tao, maka-benefit, no, kun dili ang usa ka inventor agid, no, sa naka-anang butanga. So mao day na by striking the right balance between the interests of innovators and a wider public interest, the IP system aims to foster an environment which creativity and innovation can flourish. So mao to nung protection na niya ang iyang proteksyonan mo to no, na produce ang iyang invention, no, dayon iya ipa-register para kini maproteksyonan, no, kay na may balaod gyud, no, ang usa ka intellectual property. So ang mong invention proteksyonan siya mo na imo ipa-register para kay dili siya kawaton, no, sa mga scammer o sa mga sa mga kawatan nga mo nga maka-benefit ana, no, usa na dira, no, ang painting for example lang, no, so usa na diha. So next. So there are 4 types of intellectual property. So first, patent law.
Christian Lloyd Bunghanay mo na ako patent law. Patent law, patent grants inventors the right to exclude other from making, using, offering for sale, importing, or selling the invention. Patents have been used to protect a wide variety of famous inventions such as the light bulb, the internal combustible engine, the Google search engine, as well as the ornamental appearance of products such as sneakers, jewelry, sunglasses, and even the shape of cars. Patent law, mga kaya na inventory ni siya sa mga selling invention, sneakers, jewelry, sunglasses, ganana. Next, copyright law. Copyrights cover original works fixed in any tangible medium of expression such as literary, musical, dramatic, artistic, books, paintings, sculpture, films, and other intellectual works. Copyrights are granted to authors where the original works are published or unpublished. Copyrights protect the book you read, the movies you see, music you listen, to the artwork, even the software that runs on your computer and smartphones. Today, a lot of work in the copyright area involves applying this body of law to electronic and digital media to control its application and distribution. Ang copyright law, protect din sa mga copyright, mga movies yung itanaw, mga music yung ipaminaw, mga copyright law. Next, Mawan.
Napatyan.
Napakas. The Philippine Copyright Law, or officially known as the Republic Act Number 8293, as a criminal offense, copyright infringement as punishable by imprisonment ranging from 1 year to 9 years and a fine ranging from 50,000 pesos to 1,500,000 pesos, depending on the value of the infringing materials damaged to copyright owner. So, kung copyright nga ikaglo, pwede ka mapriso. Muna, priso ka 1 year to 9 years nga multa kay 50,000 to 1,500,000 pesos. Muna.
So, good afternoon, ma'am. So, I am Daniel P. Halasan. So, akong i-discuss about trademark law. Trademarks include any word, name, symbol, or device, combination thereof, used to identify and distinguish goods or services, and to indicate the source of those goods or services. Trademarks can consist of words, images, colors, sounds, distinctive packaging, and even smells like distinctive aroma. Owners of strong trademarks must be vigilant about protecting their trademarks to avoid losing them if they become generic words such as aspirin, thermos, and escalator. So, about sa trademark law, so may mga tao, ang trademark law is kuan siya kanang mura siya naka-focus lang siya sa kuan mga businesses or individuals, mga kuan ba or may products nila, services. Same nagapon siya sa copyright. So, ang kuan na to sa kuan, sa copyright lang is kanang may original work. So, ang kuan, trademark is murag kadaghanan ba, murag naggamit. Pero, iproteksyonan yapon siya. One of the controversial about trademark law is kaning sa Itbulaga lang ba. May mga tao kung say muon sa kuan, muon sa name na Itbulaga or ang kuan ba TVJ or Brother Halosos. So may mga tao about kuan kung malapag ka ani nga law is kuan more on dako kuan po ni siya kanang more on dako po ni siya offense niya. May mga trademarks mukhang tao mga like kuan kinahanglan original jud siya nga kanang name, kinahanglan wala siya mogamit dapat ana kay if mo violate ka na so impasse. So next ay sa mukadugang sa pagkaw about kaning sa kuan to avoid kuan kanang owners ng trademarks are vigilant about protecting and their trademarks to avoid losing them become generic words such as aspirin, thermos, and kuan and escalator. So may mga tao if dili mo siya mapaligtahan like so yung tao kaning about aspirin, word aspirin is may mga tao tambal ni siya pero na siya mga lain pangalan. So muna siya mahimong siya generic. Like thermos, may siya o thermos na mga klaseng thermos like Rakoslas, different words also draa. So next. Trade secrets. Trade secret law provides protection of proprietary information used by a business enterprise. It can include protection of technological and businesses know how that is maintained in secret. One of the most famous examples of a trade secret is the exact recipe of Coca-Cola formula and remains secret for decades. So, trade secret is may yung mga muna siya ang mga kuan tong business or product nga mismo ginakuha ni siya kanang gikuha ni siya spread sa kuan sa uban or gi-share ni siya pero ang ang mismo ang ingredients niya is dili kay siya ingon nga kuan ba tanan bitaw kay hatag na siya mga kanang mga ingon sa Coca-Cola mga exact recipe jud siya wala di jud niya wa jud gihatag tanan kung usay naa sa soda or usay mga secret spices ano ba or like sa mingon ta sa gi-advertise sa KFC so na siya giingon nga secret spices pero wala siya gisaba usa tong mga spices. So, trade secrets can be protected under Article 40E of Republic Act 7394 or the Consumer Protection Act and the Article of 292 of the Revised Penal Code. So, marata ko so thank you.
Hello, good day, Miss. My topic is all about geographical indication of this report. I'm Marknell Amawan. Geographical indication is a sign or symbol that identifies goods as emanating from any specific region or local of a country that gives good its known quality. Just for example, car delicacies, mga ampaw, mga product, then and like in further example, champagne can only be labeled as such as if it comes from Champagne region in France, can apply to various products or beverage, handicrafts, and industrial products, linking them to the geographical region, cultural and traditional heritage. And next slide. The authority by this law, the Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines. This is the Republic Act 8293, authored by the late Senator Raul S. Rocco. Then it was signed into the law in June 6, 1997 and took effect on January 1998. That is the author by this law. Thank you. God bless. That's all.